and like that, or it's never ever my business. Not That's not the type of channel that I have. So, for somebody to come tell me, that sound like me a weasel. For somebody to come tell me about what they're doing in their personal space with their significant other is like an offense to me. If I want to go on a channel to hear somebody talk about that, then that's my choice. But being on my channel talking about just catching up with my subscribers because I haven't been online, I don't want to hear that. And no disrespect to you. So anything else before I go, guys, because I'm about to go. Anything else? You forgot me is. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to figure out what to do because I don't care what you told her. Wrong channel, different person. You know what? You know that the boy Trey. Let me tell you what you do. You see, if you scroll up, like like you scroll up. If you use your phone and you go like this, you move to the next channel that's live. Yeah, or you move to the channel above me. So there's always gonna be something happening festive on YouTube. You know what I mean? All you gotta do is swipe. And my channel is not it. So any more questions for me? Because